I'm going to show you how I prepare Spanish lentil soup, which is an excellent source of vitamin B, fiber and minerals such as iron, magnesium, potassium and zinc. The ingredients we're going to need are 500 grams of green lentils soaked overnight so that we reduce cooking time, or 3 cans of green lentils in water if you don't have much time, 1 green pepper, 2 tomatoes, 1 potato, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 carrots, optional, 2 celery sticks, optional as well, 2 bay leaves, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, salt, pepper, just a pinch of both, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and again optional, have a chorizo ring. The preparation time is 5 minutes. The cooking time is 40 minutes if you're using a normal pot, but only 20 minutes in a pressure cooker, and 12 minutes if you're using canned lentils in water. The price per portion is 74 pence only if you make it with chorizo. First, you're going to peel the potato and the carrots, wash the vegetables, dry them and cut them into medium-sized cubes. If you are using chorizo, slice it into chunks about 1 inch long. Some people also add bits of bacon to the recipe. Although it is quite high in fat, chorizo is good for upping your intake of protein. If you want a super healthy meal, don't add it then, since the paprika will provide a similar flavor. Second, add the oil to a large soup pot. Put on medium heat and stir all the vegetables for about 3 minutes. Third, stir in the lentils and the spices. Add 9 cups of water and cook for 35 minutes. If you're using a pressure cooker, just add 6 cups of water and cook for 20 minutes. If you prefer to use canned lentils in water, add 4 cups of water and cook for 12 minutes only. And this is the final result. Top secret, they often taste better the next day, so if you have any leftovers, either freeze them or just put them on a pan, add a glass of water, a bit of rice and cook them until the rice is soft. And that's it for the challenge. Remember that the challenge is to cook a healthy main course for 4 people under 1 pound per person and with a maximum preparation and cooking time of 45 minutes.